This spark you think you are, the eternal fire will eat you up one day as nothing. Don't worry. Yeah, but this is all little sparks thinking they can control the eternal fire and knowing the eternal fire. If the eternal fire knows you, you will not be there anymore. If knowledge takes over, there is no spark left. But now the spark takes itself so bloody important that it thinks I'm just a little bit stuck in what I am. And then I will be really, in awareness, I will be so burning inside, I will be the only one who is burning so bright that the eternal fire will be nothing against me.
Yeah, but isn't that part of everything as well?
That's a part of stupidity, I know.
Stupidity is a part of it.
No, that is called ignorance.
Also, that's...
This is called the devil, the little devil, me, tries to control God. That is called hell. Where the devil is, there is hell. And where the me, there is hell. And there's a me who wants to control, a spark who wants to control the eternal fire.